How to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 and Warzone not launching from Steam. First, what you need to do is go over to your library and then right click on your game, then click on Properties. Now click on Installed Files and then click on Browse. Here you need to find this COD.exe file and right click on it and then click on Properties. Click on Compatibility and make sure Disable Full Screen Optimization is checked out. Do not check this box and then click on Apply and click on OK and restart your PC. Hopefully your problem solves, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide in this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.